Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, we'll dive deep into campaign types and objectives in meta ads, one of the most important foundations for running successful Facebook and Instagram campaigns. When you create a new campaign in Meta Ads Manager, the very first step is to choose your campaign objective. This tells Meta what kind of results you want from your ads, so the system can optimize delivery to the right people, those most likely to take that action. Meta has simplified campaign creation into 6 core objectives, and each one serves a specific purpose. Number 1, awareness. This objective helps you increase visibility and brand recognition. It's designed to reach the maximum number of people who are likely to remember your brand. Use awareness when you're introducing your business, launching a new product, or building general brand recall. For example, if you're a new clothing brand or a local service provider, awareness is a great place to start. Number 2, traffic. The traffic objective is all about driving people to your website, landing page, app, or messenger. Meta will show your ads to users who are most likely to click links. This is ideal for blog promotion, event pages, or lead magnets, when your goal is to get more visitors, not necessarily conversions. Number 3, engagement. The engagement objective is perfect for boosting interactions such as likes, comments, shares, video views, follows, and messages. This type of campaign helps you build community and social proof. Use this objective if you want to increase brand trust or create buzz around your posts or reels. Number 4, leads. If your goal is to collect customer information, the leads objective is your best choice. It lets you create instant forms directly on Facebook or Instagram, so users can submit their details without leaving the app. You can also generate leads via Messenger, WhatsApp, or calls. This is great for service businesses, education providers, or real estate, anyone who relies on inquiries and signups. Number 5, app promotion. If you have a mobile app, this objective helps you get more installs and encourage in-app activity. Meta's algorithm finds users who are likely to download and use your app, making it perfect for SaaS tools, games, or any mobile-based service. Finally, sales. The sales objective is where the magic happens for e-commerce and conversion-focused businesses. This campaign optimizes for actions like purchases, add to cart, or donations, depending on the conversion events you've set up with your MetaPixel or Conversions API. Use this objective if you want to directly drive sales and revenue. Now, here's a quick tip. Even though each campaign type looks similar, the optimization and targeting behavior are completely different. So always pick the objective that truly matches your business goal. If your goal is to drive sales, but you select traffic, Meta might send you visitors who click but never buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.